Thinking about a home in Chicago Southland? Here's what you need to know. There are some types of homes you should definitely avoid. Foundation cracks, uneven floors, and sagging floors are big red flags. Repairs for these can cost a fortune. Next, be cautious of homes with outdated plumbing, electrical wiring, or heating systems. Replacing these can cost you tens of thousands of dollars. Location is key. Avoid homes near noisy train tracks, highways, or industrial zones. They can hurt both property value and your peace of mind. In Chicago Southland, flooding is a real issue. Be on the lookout for bases of water damage or homes in flood-prone areas. Finally, unpermitted renovations may look nice, but could cause you headaches with code violations and costly fixes. Avoiding these types of homes will save you time, money, and stress. I'm here to help you make smart real estate decisions. Let's connect. And hey, if you found this information helpful, save this post for future reference. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more real estate tips just like this.